Hello, I'm in a 2009 Ford Explorer and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the inside driver's side, you should see a lever here with a little resistance. You pull and hear like a pop. That'll unlatch it. So you can see underneath what it looks like. There's a little cable there. Should have a little tension. If that's like disconnected for some reason or not tight at all, you might need to go in and find a way to tighten it up. But right now it's unlatched, so we'll go up and open it up. Typically most cars, there's like a lever right around the middle that you'll push on. So right here, pushing this way and then pulling up. So over and up. That's it. So it was hooked onto that. And there's that set of levers there. If it's sticking, you might need some WD-40, some adjustments there if it's off center. They're pretty cheap parts too if you needed a new one. But otherwise, that's it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.